Alright, good evening. Let's take a quick look for tomorrow's action, Tuesday, January 5th. Trading currently at 11:28.50, down a quarter from the close. So again, nothing happening after hours. We've got a 60-day chart here, which represents basically going back about 3 months of action, as there is typically 20 days in a trading month. Again, you can see a nice little rising wedge here with higher highs and higher highs and higher lows. One thing I do want to point out is back here in early November we traded as low as 10.22 and then first hit this breakout high of about 11.07, so we went up about 85 points. We then pulled back, and I want to show this retrace real quick on this chart. If you show from the low there to the high, you can see how we magically pulled back again to the 50% retrace line right there at 1064 and change, right about 1064.75. And from there we have again projected onward and upward to that minus 23.6 line, which is where we're trading right now here at 11.27. So we are above this line and pressing higher still, and until this market really breaks under this 11.12 area on a close, I don't think you want to be too short. We're looking for higher prices still, but again, break out above this 11.30 area, break down below 11.10 is kind of where we're stuck into the range. Now let's take a quick look at the NASDAQ on a again the same 60-day chart. And you see similar action again, similar action where we had the NASDAQ started down here at about 1649 and reached as high as this 1811 or so, and then 1812, and then pulled back. You see again that pullback right to that 50 to 61.8 area. There's a sweet spot buying 1710 to 1730. And again, we have projected up to the minus 38.2 line right here, and you can see that's been the major line of contention over the last week or so here. 1874 today, we closed above it, 1886. So again, everything projecting higher. You see a break under 1860 now, you probably want to stay short. But until then, it's tough to, you want to buy the dips probably down to the 1860, close below that 1860, and we could go back and test this 1812 or so. So that's kind of where we are with the major markets on that end. Also tomorrow we're starting to kick off some of the earnings. I wanted to throw up a chart of Mosaic. That's the big one tomorrow. There's not a lot else out there happening, but Mosaic is sitting. By the way, we were long this stock back here in the 47 area, and we ended up pushing it off here around the 55 area, now trading about $61. So although we have not gained the last 10% in this stock, Mosaic, it's had a very nice run. Again, right into the earnings tomorrow. Earnings are expected tomorrow, so watch how this reacts. Again, somewhere 55 to 62.7 points. I would expect probably a move higher next to the 69 level, or if earnings are poor, we'll go back and test probably somewhere if I were to draw a fib and this were to break. If these are worse than expected, again, the last 60 days showing a move here from the 44s up here to the 62.50 area. If we were to pull back again, I would expect somewhere in this 53 to 51 area, which would probably enable another good buying opportunity. So that's it. That's kind of the update for tomorrow morning. We wish you well. Again, call Eric if you want to trade less and keep more. 888-201-4201. Peace.